In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Alias in Proton Mail. An email alias is a unique address that forwards messages to your main inbox without revealing your primary address. It's great for protecting your privacy, organizing signups, and cutting down on spam. Start by opening Proton Mail and signing in. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right area of the interface and open the Security Center panel using the toggle there. This panel is where Proton surfaces privacy tools, including the option to quickly spin up an alias when you need one. Inside the panel, select New Alias. This opens a small form that walks you through the setup. First, give your alias a title. This title is just for you. It won't be visible to anyone emailing you. Pick something descriptive like the site or purpose you're creating it for, so you can recognize it at a glance later. As you type, you'll see a live preview of the alias address that Proton will generate. This helps you confirm the format before creating it. Right below, you'll see the forwards to setting. This determines where messages sent to the alias will land. By default, it will forward to your primary Proton mail address, which is usually exactly what you want. If you use multiple addresses within Proton, you can choose the one that best fits your workflow. There's also a note field. Use this to jot down context such as why you created the alias or where you intend to use it. That little bit of documentation can save you time when you review or prune aliases in the future. When everything looks good, click Create and copy alias. Proton will create the alias immediately and place it on your clipboard so you can paste it into a sign-up form or share it where needed. That's it. Your alias is active and will start forwarding mail right away. If you ever need to revisit its details, you'll find it in the same Security Center area, ready for quick reference and management.